Hello Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name is Ken, also known as Mr. Ken Dennis on YouTube. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a makeup look that I'm going to be wearing for Mardi Gras. I'm thinking glamorous, fabulous and a lot of fun. Let's get started. So I'm going to be starting with the eyes. I'm going to be using this concealer from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way concealer and I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow base. Alright, to set that concealer in place, I'm just going to be taking my MAC Studio Fix powder on a Mecca All Over Eyeshadow Enhancer brush. We're going to be grabbing the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Low Glow as a transition colour. Now when I think about Mardi Gras, I think about a lot of pops of colour, the rainbow, some glitter, unicorn vibes, so today I'm going to go for the rainbow theme, and of course going to be adding some glitter to this look. Alright, now we're going to be grabbing the Kristen Leanne eyeshadow palette. As you guys can see, it's such an amazing selection of colours, very Mardi Gras appropriate. We're going to start off first with this pinky purpley shade. Just going to pop that onto the inner half of the eyelid. Now these eyeshadows are very pigmented, but if you guys would like to make the eyeshadows pop even more, I suggest using a setting spray. So I'm grabbing the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, just like so. And watch that pigment go to the next level. Using the same brush, I'm going to go for that navy blue colour. Just going to pop that onto the centre part of the lid. Next, we're going to be grabbing that purpley shade, this time just on the outer corner. And don't worry if you get any fallout on the face, that's why we're doing the eyes first. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the brush that it came with. I'm taking the blending brush side, grabbing that orange, and I'm just going to run it above the other colours, just to emphasize a bit of that crease. It's also going to help blend those other colours on the lid. Next I'm going to be grabbing the Eye Intensifier brush, a clean one, and I'm just going to run it along the edges of the eyeshadow, just so that we don't have any harsh lines. Next I'm going to be taking a clean Eye Intensifier brush and just going to run this above the pink, the blue and the purple, just so there isn't any harsh line, but you can see there's like a soft gradient. If you feel like you've lost a bit of that colour, don't fear, just reapply a tiny bit more. Alright, I feel like this look needs a wing eyeliner, so I'm just going to be grabbing the Bobbi Brown ink liner. Alright, so I'm going to do the base, but before I do that, I'm going to get rid of that fallout, so I'm just grabbing a Mega Max makeup wipe. Fallout, be gone. For face primer, I'm going to be grabbing this one from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Primer. This stuff smells so good. It's definitely important to prime, especially if you're going to be wearing makeup out for a party like Mardi Gras, because your face needs to stay on all day. And not only that, you're going to be partying, sweating, so something like this is really good to keep that makeup on your skin. Now, if you're one of the boys and you guys have a bit of a 5 o'clock shadow going on, I personally would like to color correct that. So I'm going to be using a color correcting stick. This one is from Smashbox. This is the color correcting stick in Look Less Tired Dark. Just going to use my finger to blend that in. Alright, to prevent that from mixing in with my foundation, I need to set that, so I'm going to be using this one from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Alright, now we're going to move on to foundation, so I'm going to be using this one from NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of concealing underneath the eyes, so I'm grabbing that Too Faced Born This Way concealer yet again. Just going to do some triangles underneath that eye. I'm just going to be grabbing that MAC powder. Alright, I feel like my face needs a little bit of colour, a little bit of bronzing, so I'm just going to be grabbing this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of contour into the mix. Girl, that nose is snatched. Alright, for brows, I'm going to be using this Eyebrows Crayon Pencil. Going back into the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm going to be grabbing purple shade again. Just going to run it on the lower lash line. Alright, for the center part of the eyelids, instead of going for a blue shade, I'm going to go for a reddy shade. So I'm going back into the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Scorched. And then going back into the Kristen Leanne palette, I'm going to be grabbing the lime green now. And then for the inner tear duct color, I'm going to be grabbing that gold shade. Now remember when I said there was going to be a lot of glitter in this look? I'm not lying. We're going to go ahead and use this one from Too Faced. This one is the Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply this over the black eyeliner. Ooh, you can see that rainbow shine through. Yes. Alright, while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. The highlighter that I'm going to be using is literally a gem, and it's from Too Faced as well, and this one is the Diamond Light Highlighter. Ooh. Ooh la la. Now because this is a Mardi Gras look, just go overboard, girl, because it's going to be hella bright. Now I'm going to move on to eyelashes. These ones are from Mecca Max. While lashes are on now, if you feel that your lashes are overpowering the glitter, you can just add a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of tight lining, waterline eyeliner. Alright, to blend my natural lashes and my fake lashes together, I'm going to be using this mascara from Mecca Max. Alright, now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm grabbing this lip liner from NARS. And for the lip colour, I'm going to be grabbing another NARS product. So I've got some loose glitter. This one is from In Your Dreams and this one is in Purple Unicorn. So the highlighter is just going to serve as this beautiful unicorn base. And the glitter is just going to take it to the next level. Yes. So I'm just going to apply a bit on the brow bone as well. And of course we need this to last all day and all night for the parties, so I'm going to be grabbing the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, now while that dries, I am going to get my little head pink so that we can be all glammed and ready. Ta-da! Alright, Mecca Beauty Junkies, that is the final look. Overall, fabulous. If you guys would like to recreate the look at home, make sure you guys check out your local Mecca, or you can go onto their website to purchase the products as well. Catch you later. Bye.